area of outer circle. Okay, we can write area of outer circle. So area of outer circle means pi r square, pi, okay, and the r is big one. So pi, and it's 22, and 22 means it's 484. Okay, it's square of 22, 484, and pi, and what centimeter square? Sorry, mm square, millimeter square. Okay, area of inner circle. Okay, inner circle, that is pi. Okay, and small r square, that is pi, and this is 20. So square of 20 is 400. 400 pi centimeter, mm, not centimeter, mm square. Okay. This is mm. So don't get confused. This is mm. Millimeter, mm. Okay. So area of cross section. Area of cross section. Okay. Area of cross section is what? This one. Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Okay. This will be area of outer circle. Okay. Minus area of inner circle. Okay, inner circle. Correct? So outer is 484 pi. pi minus 400 pi. Okay, so this is 84 pi millimeter square. Correct? So note down it, please.
Okay.
Now clearly visible?
Yes.
Note down quickly and then look at question number 5.
Okay.
This is the shape of garden. A garden is made up of a rectangular patch of grass and two semicircular vegetable patches. So see that this is a rectangle, okay, 16 centimeter, 16 meter long, and 8 meter wide. Okay, so this is the middle one is the rectangle, and this both ends of rectangular are mounted by the semicircles. So here we have a semicircle patch, okay, both sides. If the dimensions of rectangular patches are 16 meter length and 8 meter wide respectively, calculate in exact form the perimeter and the total area of garden. So when we talk about the perimeter, so perimeter means this length plus this length and circumference. Okay. Understanding? Perimeter means this length. See that. Perimeter, I'm going to make it red. Okay, look at the cursor. This red one, this is the perimeter. Okay. This red one is the perimeter. Correct? This is the perimeter. So this is 16. This will also be 16. Okay. Only this thing we need to find out circumference. Circumference. This is what? Circumference. We need to find out. Okay. So circumference plus circumference. Okay. So there will be two circumferences. See that 2, okay, times of half of the circumference 2 pi r. Okay. Okay. Circumference is 2 pi r. Half, it's half of, circumference of a semicircle is half of 2 pi r. So here this 2 and 2 is cancelled. So this is simply 2 pi r. Or if you wish to write the directly 2 pi r, this is this semi and this semi, they'll make a complete circle. So you can write directly 2 pi r, no problem. Okay. So here 2 times of better to I'm bringing answer in terms of pi. Okay, then I will put the value of pi. So 2 times pi, and r is what? See, this is 8. 8 is what? Diameter. 8, this will be diameter. Okay. Now this hole is 8. So 4 here and 4 here. Okay. This hole is 8. So 4 here, 4 here. This is center point. So radius is 4. So this is 8 pi. This is 8 pi. This is in meter. Yeah, 8 pi meter. Okay. So perimeter means, then perimeter means, 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16 plus 8 pi. Okay. So 16 plus 16, 32 plus 8 pi. Okay. So here you can write the answer of 32 plus 8 times 3.14. And then you can see in total how much it's giving you. So it will be approximately 57.13 meter. Okay. Correct?
You round up, sir, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we have to find out, okay, note on it. Then we have to find out its area. So area for area, L into B. This area, what is here? Area will be 16 into 8. Okay, this rectangle. So there will be two areas. We have rectangle. Area means we have rectangle and two semicircles. Two semicircles. So two semicircle means two semicircle make one circle. Okay. So area of rectangle means L into B. And this is pi r square, So L into B means 16 into 8. And pi r square means pi. Okay. And R is what? 4. So this is 16 pi. Okay. And 16 into 8. Now 16 times 8 is 128. So area means 128 plus 16 pi. Okay. And if you wish, you can write this is 16 pi. So this will be around 178.27 meters square. Okay, meters square. This will be its area. Correct?